This is the workshop for the box making. Okay, let's go to the first one. This factory applied all of our machines, including the rigid box making machine, gluing machine, and this is the air pressing machine. Okay, for this machine is applied the white glue, as you can see from here. This we call the white glue. And collected by a bucket. Manual positioning. And this device is for heating or cool the paper, because the glue we need to get is drying. Okay, you manual feeding the bolts to the wrapping machine. Okay. If need, you can put a conveyor as the bag. And here we pack the boxes. Okay.